Hi, this is Alex from Pandectus. Is your Shopify store selling to New Zealand? Then you need to comply with New Zealand's NZPA privacy regulation. It consists of three main things that you need to implement on your store. So let's take a look at them. First, the law says that if you collect personal information, then you need to notify the user that you are doing so. This, of course, can be done with a cookie banner, which is informational, which means that it doesn't actually block anything. It just notifies the user that the website uses cookies, which can be used for tracking, for analytics. The second thing that you need to have is a privacy policy page on your store. There, you need to describe clearly and transparently all of the data practices that your business uses. It's good for this document to be redacted by a lawyer or a privacy professional, but you can definitely find tutorials online on how to redact it yourself. And third, there needs to be a way for users to access, edit, or delete their data from your store, and that can be done with a data subject requests page. All of the above can be very easily implemented with the Pandectus GDPR compliance app. So I will have a link in the description for you to check it out. Thanks for watching.